morning. So just for reduce a little bit the time, so we have to share that this is my account. So I'm going to create a virtual machine with a Windows server here in this Microsoft Azure platform in the cloud. So I'm just going to go to home and virtual machines. I already create previously a group with a virtual machine, but now I'm going to create a new virtual machine with all the specification that we need. So I'm going to create a virtual machine, and I just have to select all the specification that I already have with my account, Azure for a student, the group, the previous that I already have, the the name of my machine. It will be my last name and the 235 name. So it's going to be created in the It's US available options. I'm going to create that for by default. The zone I want to select zone 3, and the server, the OS will be Windows Server 2025. That's the Center Azure Edition. And I previously select this type of size because it's going to be more cheap at month. So I just create my username, password, and that's it. Create by the defaults specification that I already have. Validation passed, and create. Initializing deployment, submitting deployment, and deployment is in progress. Just wait like less than a minute, just second. The time is not about me, it's about the internet, the time of the provider, in this case Microsoft Azure. So it's look like it's taking a little bit more time, but that's it, we cannot do more. Deployment is in progress. Well, it succeed. Now we have to go to the resource, and let's see what we have. So we only have to check virtual machine. I just said it's not ready. Troubleshooting feature. That we are going to miss that. So we only have to check that we have the create the group is the state, the status is running, the zone, the subscription is in our student account. We only have to check the public IP address and DNS. Available zone is operating system Windows, so it looks like everything is according to our specification on the task. So everything is ready. So now it's time to prove connect, and let's see what we have here. Taking a little bit of time. There we go. So we only have to shake the access, and we have to download our RDP to can connect. Let's see what we have. Everything is passed. Now we have to enter. We have to say yes, connecting to our public IP. I'm creating my username. Is deployment the first time that is running the virtual machine. We are going to accept all these. Let's see. The first impression of the server is the server manager, so it's running on, and that's it. We already have Windows Admin Center here, and just like settings to check the name that is already my machine. We are going to go to system, scroll down about, and we can see the name of the machine, the processor that we had, the RAM, and the edition of the Windows. And we have Windows Server 2025 Data Center Azure Edition. And let's see. We are going to disconnect, but that machine is still running, so we are going to continue with the following tasks that we can check. So in this case, I don't have the options to connect here. Let me see. It doesn't show, but we are going to try to connect with a different it look like we have to, well, it's not showing up, but remote connection. So, and we are just going to check that we have the same IP address here with the virtual machine. Is C public IP address, and that's it. 172, 174, 233.75, and port 3389, and that's it. Yeah, that's it. Oh, now we are going to create like an automation task. I'm going to add the task, delocate a virtual machine. This is my template. Time of day. I'm going to select this. Well, it looks like it's already authenticated. Everything is. Next, configure. Task name. I'm going to create the name 235 server shutdown task. And let's see, we are going to create allocate time today at 1 a.m. 1 a.m. time zone, the deadline standard time, interval 1, frequency a day. I want to get a notified for that, and I'm going to create to put my email. And that's it. I'm just create the task. And that's it. Thank you for watching.